want to see yourself?
No.
You want to see yourself? Look. Again? I get so excited. Is that Mav?
Bob. Bob.
Where's Bob? You want to see Bob? Where's Mav? Where's Mister at? Where's Mister? Is there a cat outside meowing?
Could be the cat from next door. She's always escaping.
Oh.
Her other cat got ran over.
Oh God.
You would think they'd keep her listening inside.
Ma.
Mav. Let me see. What are you doing?
Ma.
Huh?
Harold?
What's up?
Bob.
Where's Bob? Where is he?
Bob.
Bob the Builder? I don't know where it's at. I think your mama's got it put up.
Bob. Bob. Bob.
Harold escaped.
Bob. Bob.
You're quiet, cat. Oh, there's Mister. Look.
Big guy.
Bob.
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 I'm sad that the show's over. You know,
It was a
it's
good
of
one,
these
though.
movie, yeah.
That was a good one. I was glad for you, because I'm telling you, they lost the crowd a little bit in Dallas.
Bob.
That's crazy.
The crowd was totally into it last night.
Oh, yeah. What? Yeah, don't mind Mav's outfit my dad dressed in last night. He took one pajamas and put it with another pajamas. Yeah.
He don't care.
Pops dressed you, huh?
He's home.
See, I blame it on my pops. I was giving him a hard time.
Can't believe Jack had to work today.
I know, it sucks. He was supposed to do one yesterday in college. So he's like, I want to reschedule it to Sunday. Usually he hates to work on Sunday so he can watch it. Because it has to miss football.
Oh yeah, that's me. I don't work Sundays.
You don't work Sundays, really?
Mom.
Oh, okay.
Hell no.
That's awesome.
I set that up when I started working there.
Do you tell him because football, or you say you don't have anybody to watch it or something?
I don't tell them nothing. I just they give you like a little chart. And mark the days you can and cannot work. They've got enough staff at that place that they can accommodate.
That is very cool.
There's a lot of students who can't work during the week,
Yeah.
so they have to work weekends. So that's how that works out.
So that works out for you. Hello. I didn't get it fast enough.
Is that your phone, your cell phone?
Mama.
It actually sounds like a little house phone.
Mama.
I changed the ringer because I never
Mommy.
can hear it.
Mommy.
So I put it on something that sounded more like a ring because I always missed phone calls. What, Maverick? Yeah, we don't have a house phone. We just have stuff.
That's us. We don't have a house phone either. I'm about to change our phone number when I get home, so I'll text you all the new information. We're gonna do just so we can have a local number and Austin. Bounce it. Dribble.
He went right to bed. You should have gotten some of the pills, Dad, or I guess I gave. Yeah. Okay.
Swish. Good job.
Oh, okay. Cool. I'm about to blow this other one up. And I'm going to leave the pink one in the laundry room and just finish time. Yes, I don't want you to bring it out. Well, I'm sorry if you got out of hand on you last night.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.